Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Exide Industries. Our analyst maintains a buy rating on Exide with a SOTP based price target of Rs 477 in expectation of a sustainable recovery in replacement demand, healthy traction in OEM business and timely execution of its Lion Cell project. Exide has signed a MOU with Hyundai Motors and Kia for their EV project, which offers long-term business visibility. Similarly, an uptrend in existing business along with steady input cost trend offers near-term earnings visibility. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 22 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 10.4 times its FY26 earnings estimates. Next we cover Lupin Ltd. We reiterate a buy with a price target of Rs 1868 as Lupin is expected to report EBITDA margin of 21% by FY26, led by strengthening respiratory portfolio, no major competitors in Spiriva until FY26 and higher than IPM growth in the India business. The company intends to sustain this sales momentum driven by key product launches such as Spiriva, diazepam gel and pickup in complex respiratory products. The company's Pithampur Unit 2 plant has been cleared by the US FDA. About 4 to 5 ophthalmic products are expected to be launched from here by FY26, where some would also enjoy FTF, a healthy product mix led by complex generics and injectables, and ongoing cost rationalization efforts are likely to increase gross margins and EBITDA margin to 65% and 21% respectively, while earnings is expected to grow at 19% CAGR from FY24 to FY26. At the current market price, the stock trades at 30.9 times FY25 and 25.2 times FY26 revised earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.